paano mo pinaandar yung factory?
Okay. Yung factory ngayon, parang term factory, parang it's not even a factory you can call. Parang nagsimula ako, I only have 2 workers. 2 worker lang ang meron ako when I was starting. And then, yung old na owners niya, pinakilala ako dun sa dati nilang pinagsusuplayan. So, I only have 80,000 pesos. I thought before, ang sistema ng business is, kapag nagawa mo yung shoes, babayaran ka nila in return. But there's usually a PO na tinatawag, parang purchase order, na kailangan mo gawin na good for 60 days. And then, ang payment terms niya ay either 90 days or 120 days. Hindi ko yun inintindi before. I just did the shoes. I got a 3,000 pairs of shoes na order. Pero since 2 lang ang workers ko, ang natapos ko parang 200 plus lang. And when I delivered it, sabi nila, hindi namin babayaran niyan, Joe, kasi hindi mo siya natapos. And then, instead na maka-move on ako, lalo akong na-depress. Then I went to Marikina, parang sa mga made-to-order ako, kumapit made-to-order pairs of shoes. Then there was a certain na old lady na tinanong ako, sabi niya, buti may mga bata pang willing to learn na gumawa ng sapatos. Tapos kwento ko lang din yung buhay ko. Then eventually sabi niya, Joe, punta ka sa ganitong tao, nagre-refinance sila ng mga purchase order. Try mo isang layong PO mo, they will get a certain percentage. Then ganun siya nagsimula. Then,
Oo. Pero mahirap po yun, ha? Huwag natin tularan.
Oo,
Mahirap po yan.
It takes a lot of discipline to learn how to manage that kind of money na isasangla mo yung future mo, I mean the future of the business for that. And then after, just to suffice everything, sinangla ko laptop, everything that I have, like laptop, camera, relo, mga sapatos na pwede, just so I can do it. Because my parents are pushing me na pumunta ng medical field. Sabi niya, go find a real career. Parang pakiramdam nila hindi totoong career yung paggawa ng sapatos, ano makukuha mo sa paggawa lang ng shoes. But that time convinced ako because of what had happened. Na sabi ko, I think this is what's for me. So, yun po.